Welcome to the PolicyPass video training module on the Cyclone Response Policy. This policy ensures the safety, preparedness and well-being of all children, families, staff and visitors during cyclone events or severe weather. The aim of this policy is to promote a cyclone-safe culture through regular awareness and education. Prepare everyone for all phases: prevention, preparation, response and recovery. Define clear roles and procedures for safety and communication. And foster partnerships with families and emergency services for a coordinated response. Implementation includes conducting regular risk assessments and maintaining emergency plans and kits, training staff and practicing cyclone drills at least quarterly, securing the environment and monitoring official warnings as cyclones approach, and communicating clearly with families and authorities throughout the process. Management responsibilities include leading policy development, review and staff training, ensuring resources, safe shelter and emergency supplies are available, overseeing compliance with all regulations and best practice, and liaising with emergency services and regulatory bodies as needed. Educators and staff are responsible for understanding and following all cyclone procedures and emergency plans, participating in training, drills, and securing the environment as directed, supervising children closely and providing reassurance during events, and assisting with communication and incident reporting. Families are responsible for reading and understanding the service's cyclone policy and procedures, providing up-to-date contact and emergency collection details, preparing their own home and family emergency plans, and following service instructions and official advice during cyclone events. By working together, we create a safe, prepared and resilient community for every child and adult. Thank you for watching this training module on the Cyclone Response Policy. Let's continue to prioritise safety, communication and partnership during cyclone season and beyond.